From procurement support team at Buyer, we would like to introduce the new and improved way for suppliers to communicate with us through www.buyer.com. What benefits will this bring? Exclusive for suppliers or external parties. Faster response. Unique ticket number will be assigned to each case and will be shared with supplier. Ticket number can be used for fast tracking. Here are the steps to reach procurement support through our new web form. Go to www.buyer.com from any browser, click on the Contact Us button located in the upper right corner. Scroll down to Procurement and then click where it says To Contact Form. You will see three category options. Please select the one according to your needs. Depending on your selection, a form or more options will be displayed. The options are Ariba Network, Invoicing or Payment, Purchase Order related queries. Here are some key information that will help with faster resolution of your case. Fill out all necessary custom fields that can help to better classify the ticket. It is highly recommended to include as many details as possible when submitting your query. It is important to select the correct category for your purchase order query or request so that the ticket can be automatically routed to the team with the expertise to handle your query in the fastest time. What will happen after you submit your ticket? After submitting your request, you will receive an email with a ticket number. This ticket number is important as it enables you to track the status of your request and follow up with our support team if necessary. Be sure to keep this email in a safe place for future reference. Here, you can see an example of what you will be receiving. Once the ticket is received and analyzed by Buyer, you will be receiving a response by email. The response may be the resolution of your ticket or additional questions that we need to ask to resolve your query. The email you will receive after an update is made in the ticket will look like this. How to change the language in web form. The language in the web form page can be changed in the main page. Click on the button with the world symbol and the word English and select the language that you prefer by clicking on the Select a Language option. Important! You can create your ticket in the language of your choice regardless of the language of the web page. The important thing is to select the correct supplier country or buyer service country option and fill out the forms with the correct information. Please accept cookie settings to enable your preferred language. You can find it in the lower part of the page at www.buyer.com.